In this video, I will show you how to fix a loose tab in seconds. So first thing, you have to remove the drawer that is here. That was a drawer, it's an IKEA drawer, it's very tricky. But when you get it out, you make sure to remove it from this. So you put it outside, and after you lift it all up and it comes up. After, what you have to do, you have to go under the sink and focus on this screw here. You have to tie this screw up with a Swedish kit like this, IKEA. So you find the right this, and you tie it up. Okay, so step by step, slowly, you do it slowly, and it shouldn't take long. Within 2-3 minutes, that you should tie your sink up. Right? Don't overdo it. Just do it enough, but not too much. Right? So I hope you like my video, you find it useful. Let me know if you have any comments. Thank you. Bye bye.